Hindi pa nagigising yung mga wisyo ng ating mga manlalaro dito. Ooh, that soft touch there. Butas yung gitna.
Very, both teams taking their time as we start this first set. We've seen early errors. Yun nga, sabi mo, may service error itong BFP.
So block at the net.
To get that control.
Sa inyo ba sa larong volleyball may pahiyang din? Pag malas ka on one side, you're aching to go to the other side.
Alam mo, hindi ako naniniwala.
Ako din eh.
Siguro yan, it would matter sa beach volleyball kasi may factor ng hangin.
Oo.
Dito siguro pag sa ganito indoor ilaw, pero pantay-pantay naman.
Pero depleted na pala itong Lady Firefighters.
And it could be, a big factor as to why the team is also adjusting. Kung nasanay kang naglalaro yung certain set of players, and all of a sudden, sabi mo nga, depleted, kulang ng mga manlalaro, may adjustment talaga nangyayari.
Pero kung ikaw naman, yung mga ibang manlalaro, as you take a look at that last sequence, and your number is called, you have coverage on. Balik sa mga nakaputi. Another chance here for BFP. And they score again. Now we're tied at 11. Ito na ang Senado. Wow, ang lakas naman nung palo ni Menchi Tubiero there.
That is what we have been waiting for. Yung baka yun, yung energy na yun, masustain nila dito on the side. Yung pwedeng daanan ng bola.
I think more than the angle, yung power na ilalagay mo,
And yung adjustment, because they adjust mid-air.
Airbnb dyan sa may Zambales
Thank you for the plug.
Ano nga tawag doon?
Costa Zambali.
Costa Zambali, okay?
Pagka operational na, sasabihan kita.
Ayan, sasabihan kayo ni Anne Remulla.
And not the lead rather, but gusto nilang makahabol sa lead ng Senate.
Kasi pwede pa yan 2017, only 3 points.
But if you're on the side of Senate, you would want to protect this lead at si Sabas with some luck. And a little help from the net, nakakuha ng puntos.
Sabi nga ng mga eksperto, di ba? Hindi mo matatalo ang swerte. Kasi ang galing, pwede mong pantayan
Tsaka yung mga sumasabit na sa kanilang serves.
Mukhang alam ko na yung tsura ng ensayo nila. Oo. Ilan nga?
Well, right now,
ang tibay ng dibdib dito ng Senate dahil humahabol ang BFP. Let's see if they can tie it. Uh-oh! We are tied at 23 and all of us.
Oo.
Masaya tayo dito.
Saka para sulit din yung punta ng ating team.
Oo naman. Balik ang kalamangan sa Lady Defenders and the Chichi scoring on that one. Crucial dito, first ball. Set up by Lai. Tabla ulit tayo sa 26.
You see the effort of both teams, very steady. Most just yung porsyento na play lang, porsyento na set.
Pero minsan yun yung nakakatakot, yung pag...
Literal na mag-uunahan sila.
Hula ko lang. Dahil magandang palitan Malamang na ulit.
Mamaya, panggigigilan na yung mga players. Isang maayos na laro lang. Let's see, Tubiera.
Chance here for BFP. Diaz sends it home. And they get set number 1 in extended fashion. One-on-one sa net. Buhay pa rin ang bola. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. Left hand na loko yung defender doon.
Minsan talaga, all you need is to really know. Saan ko ba gusto dalhin yung bola? Hindi rin pwedeng palo ng palo, balik ng balik.
2-0. Great net defense once again. Coming from Sabas.
Gustong bumawi agad-agad ng Senate. And this is what we pointed out earlier, na ang kailangan gawin ngayon ng Team Senate in set number 2 is to really put matters into their own hands. They need to score the points, and that's what
Javen. Oh, that ball is still alive.
But you know, you gotta give credit to Cecilio, ha? Dahil in that series earlier, talagang siya yung habol ng bola, and you hear how vocal she is. Sinasabi niya, oh, dito ka, akin to.
Kampi dahil it rubs off eh. And I like how Sheila is killing that first ball. Pinapatay yung karga. Just enough for the setter, si Ja, to get it.
That is very important. Maybe something na hindi madalas.
Cecilio sends it back. Good floor defense there by Sabas. And that was too huge of a space for Gan.
Atake. So it's a difficult angle.
9-7, just a 2-point lead for the ladies in white. And that's going to be another point again. Balik sa Senate. Josmilio going to Adolfo. And Sabas has been active here in front.
She is already on her 12th point in this match. No? 10 dun sa 12 puntos na yun galing sa kanyang opensa. Now, no, on the side of BFP.
Josmilio, set up job. And this time around, si Abellana naman ang kanyang inactivate. And look at that. Tingnan mo si Sabas, ano, mag-isang nagwa-wiper dun sa harap. We'll send that back over. And this time around, AJ will be unsuccessful. And we got this report from Dana. Go ahead, Dana.
Chicken, and earlier we have seen action from import and key player Menchie to be game.
Oo. Mataas ang porsyento sa kanya. Meantime, Lai. Punta ulit kay Sabas. Why not? Why not?
She is on fire. Kanina sabi natin humahabol ng paghinga.
Do it again. Yun yung hininging setup job. Magandang first ball. Maayos sa second. Lead is down to 2. If you're the coach, no? At galing ka sa timeout. I'm looking at the score sheet nga dito.
Oo, yan ang I think dito makikita natin while Senate is leading, the balance that we're seeing with BFP is better in the sense that there are more players really still part, no, dun sa kanilang score sheet.
And you're right. 23-19. Good first ball. Yun nga lang, ano? Although,
it is a check. Oh, yan. That is a good response. Sabi nga kanina, hanapin nyo kung saan nyo dadalhin. Kunin sa ibabaw. At ganun din ang execution, no? Kinuha sa ibabaw. Balanse. Lahat nagko-contribute and it works for them. Though, humahabol pa sila sa ngayon.
Oh, and look at that. Cecilio heading to the 24-21. May panagot pa kaya ang BFP? Wala! And that means we're tied in set count 25-20. Balik ang bola sa orange shirts. Diaz, cross court. Alam mo yung sinasabi na una, ayun lang, tulad sa mga manlalarong tulad ko na madalas hilahin ng gravity pababa. BFP up by 1 here in set number 3, but not for long. We're tied at 2.
Please, Miss Q, no? Sa side ng BFP, sino bang kukuha? Diaz umaatras, meron namang
white shirts. Oh, look at that. Cecilio saying, it's mine. I'm going to set it up. Oh, nice chase down. Pero yun yung mahirap pag lahat kayo
Umabol. Oh. Actually, usually sa ganyan may maiiwan.
Diba?
May maiiwan, pero ito lahat sila talaga. At yun, walang tao. Sayang. Good effort though.
Salvian ace. And another good serve. Ganun din. May mga trabaho din yan. Balik sa mga nakaputi. They're down by 6. They need this point. Diaz makes it 19-12.
Gising na.
Loaded din tayo dito sa ating spectators. Meantime, Cecilio. Ito ulit si Gang. And she is gagging up here on the Lady Defenders.
Pero nakikita mo rin no, yung kanilang distribution. If there's hot hands, sige, bigay natin doon. And they are racking those points. Yun ang kanilang maganda.
Hill, sorry hindi namin ulitin mamaya yan. Okay, 24-15. Biro lang po. Ito na ang Senado. Kailangan nila si Cecilio. Sa kabila naman, will it be Gang to close it?
Ooh.
Yes. And Abellana makes it. Javen Sabas in set number 3. Probably one reason why the attacks dipped down to 9 again, di ba?
That is on point actually, no? Really on point. Kaya rin siguro ibinalik siya nung latter part nung third set.
At kung ikaw si Coach Roger, you're down by 1 set. Ito na, all out na tayo dito. Ooh! Munti ka nang hindi ayos doon ang orange shirts. Again, something has got to give. At yun na nga.
Naghintayan. Sino muna magkakamali? But, you know, one of the longest rallies, they just needed to be steady. But that hit from Adolfo.
This time they go to Gang. Galing nila on that first ball.
Oh!
And it drops in.
Lost. It got lost over there, in terms of yung, look at that. Akala niya lalabas na eh. She didn't realize.
To serve here for the Lady Firefighters.
Ooh.
Ganun din.
Oo. Looked like a good skip. You wind up your arm.
Buhay pa ang bola. 7-6. Senado lamang ng isa.
Ooh.
Hindi na. Tabla na tayo sa 7.
Adolfo. 16 points.
Wow.
Dito sa larong ito. All from her attacks.
Silang dalawa ni Josmelio. Again, one more try here for Javen. Dili was there. Ooh, sayang.
Good effort by Sabas as well. Keep the ball up.
Now, if you're the Senate, you have to be very careful at this precarious situation now. Back to the Lady Firefighters. They go to Adolfo. Sinalba yun ni Sabas. Gang looking for that corner pocket.
You know what we're seeing from BFP right now is a more organized play. Nakikita natin meron na silang talaga. There's that pattern that they follow. Yes.
Ginawa ng paraan ni Menchi yun. And they're still in the match here, only down by 6. Captain Dili Dili serving for the ladies in white. Again, pag ang net ang iyong kakampi.
Oh, pero parang yung kanina nung pinapanood natin, parang na slow motion yung bola eh, no? Habang gumugulong dun sa, yun, no, sa tape ng net. At naka-freeze din yung mga tao dito sa side ng Zenit.
I mean, you gotta give credit to Jen. At walang coverage masyado dun sa likod ni Sabas. Only Lai was there.
And, kita natin, no, talagang really focused at the net itong si Pentic and Adolfo. Game from Team Zenit on side of BFP. Isang panapos lang ang kanilang kailangan.
Ito yung pagkakataon nila. Can they close it out? Can they close it out? They do! With Adolfo saying, thank you for that gift.